see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down.
Today, we're gonna create how to do just walking and we wanna press a certain button to make you need to start run and need display and run animation as well. Right? So here I already have a walk, I got a stand, and a run animation. But first, you gotta make sure the walk animation is at first. I'm put like stand a second and run it. You can put run a second or second or third, and you want to put it. Must make sure your walking animation is at first, or which anything you want to come. Make sure walking animation at first, or anything you want to come first. If you want to put your run at first, so when you press that certain button, the guy starts to walk. Yes. See, if you put run up first, I guess you have to make the walk be a specific animation you do when you press that key or anything that you search for. But yeah, walk is ours. So when I press play, only thing he'd be displaying here is the walking animation, which is what we want. So first, I'm going to create a group and just call this walk, and run. Press the go. That's it. And I'm going to press this. So I'm going to say when KEY, when D key is when D key is pressed, or when A key is pressed, simulate left control for A key and right key for, so when D key is pressed, simulate right, that means player go right, and when A key is pressed, player goes left. So let's see. Now we can see, I also add flip horizontally. Yes. But this is no. This is yes. Okay. Now, copy this and paste this. Copy this and paste this. So my button, so to make a player run, is the mouse left primary button, and when this key is pressed, sprite change the animation of player to run. So let's see what happens. So we got A, nothing happened. So I'm gonna press my left mouse button now, as you guys can see here. Now when I let off this button, nothing happens. So we're gonna fix that. Let's copy this here too, as well, just for being safe, on the safe side. And when this happens, let's increase the speed so that I can actually show that he's running. God, my running animation is not good. So maximum speed of player is equal to 400. Alright, now let's copy this as to this. Let's play. Now it's moving much faster than a normal. So let's make it turn back into the normal walking animation when the key is not pressed. So all thing you gotta do, guys, copy this here, copy this here, and just invert it, and just say set to walk. That's my animation, my walking animation. That's it, walk. So it's gonna go back to normal self. Shoot. So now we're going to copy, paste, copy, paste, and invert. Invert and copy and paste, and let's do this, paste, and just let's find that the character normal speed as well. His normal speed is 250, maximum normal speed is 250. So we're gonna set this to 250. Let's see what happened now. Ooh, and let's look up the mouse button. So you guys can see it's working. And yeah, so this is what you're gonna use to activate your animations and show you if the character is running or not. I just set it like that. It's just the way I draw it. You guys can maybe draw better than me. I'm not really artist at gdevelop here. But yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe and comment if this really helped you. Say like, you know, dang, I'll subscribe or something like that. I don't know. Do what you guys gonna do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed, I beg you to subscribe. I need the subscribers. Later.